Alright guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about mainly how I got a 1600 on the SATs. Um, so I would say one of the biggest things is studying, obviously studying hard, but you want to make sure that you're studying different types of SATs. So you have Kaplan, you have College Board, um, things like that. And then the next thing I want to say is you want to make sure that you are so especially for College Board, you have different practice tests. Um, so you could just go through those, get them done pretty quickly. The thing is, like, all the practice tests are going to be almost very similar to the actual thing because if you look through all the different practice tests, they're all the same. That's why it's called standardized because it's a standard. So it's really just about making sure that you're able to go through them. Uh, and then another thing, uh, go online and look at the different topics for each section. So like for the SAT math, there's, for example, there's going to be different specific topics that each question is going to test you on. So it could be ratios, fractions, area, volume, and then when you're actually taking the practice test, you want to be able to identify, okay, is this a ratio type of problem? Is this a fractions type of problem? Um, So definitely for the math section, you would do that. And then another just quick tips. I always pick C, but like if I was ever like unsure about the answer, I would either pick C or A. Normally, for in my opinion, like a lot of times the right answer will be A if it's a really hard question because they don't want you to like go through if it's already a difficult question. They don't want you to have to go through like all the different like you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. And then another thing I would say for the SAT math, make sure that like you're understanding why you got the question wrong, and see if you can identify the same question in different tests. So then that's gonna help you understand like, okay, this is gonna be a really um, important type of question. Um, and then another thing is for the reading sections, it's really just about. I like to read aloud. Obviously, you can't read aloud on a test, but you can do it like a quiet whisper, or really just talk aloud in your head. Because for those of us who are natural, like native English speakers, right, you're able to um, you're able to like figure out the grammar from actually speaking out loud, because certain things just don't sound right and certain things sound correct. Um, understand spelling and grammar. Understand subject verb agreement is a huge thing. Understand what's the subject that's being used for that specific verb. Um, and a big thing, I always try to make sure that like I don't like don't pick an answer based on the options. Like pick your own answer first, and then compare your own answer with the options. So these are just some quick tips for those of you who are interested in getting one-on-one consultations or tutoring. There's a link in the description below, and book a call, and then we'll see if we can work together. If you could be like one of my many clients who have been doing really well on the SATs, ACTs, different standardized tests. Um, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.